Hello everyone, this is a newborn update for Donner and Alize. She had one silver girl and the one baby is doing fantastic, and we just wanted to bring you guys an update. We have one silver female. She's got her all tucked up here. Let me see your baby. Let me see your baby just for a second. Yeah, love the baby. But this is going to be our newborn update for Donner and Alize. One silver female, and Miss Alize is taking great care. Alize, she's a sweet girl. But we just wanted to bring you this update with Miss Alize. This girl will be ready mid-March, and of course we'll have more pictures and photos coming up here and video. But just wanted to kind of give you this quick update and let you know Miss Alize did have her litter here, and sometimes they come one at a time, which is fine. Healthy is all we ask for. And she's doing fantastic, very vigorous. This girl will be ready mid-March, and we'll keep everyone updated. But just wanted to show you Donner and Alize's baby, a silver female.